Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Good day, guys. Good day, good day, good day. Good morning, good afternoon. Hope everyone is well. Yeah, hoping everybody's doing well today. Let's jump right into it. Let's not waste any time. There are a couple trades that I have been holding for a while, and they started to actually, play out. So let's go through all of them. Let us go through all of them. Let's see. Where can we start? Let's start with the dollar index. Still very much on the fence when it comes to the dollar index. I have no idea what it wants to do. We're back at this pink box over here. We were consolidating for about 3 weeks in January. So we're back there now, and I can't really say for certain if we're going to break out to the top or break through it and just keep going down. But what I do know is that whatever's going to happen is going to be happening for a while. I'm supposed to be looking for opportunities on USD franc and USD JPY this week. And I said that depending on the momentum from Friday last week, Monday, Tuesday, I'm either going to sell USD franc or I'm going to be buying it. The same with USD JPY, the same with the dollar index, really. And because of the negative correlation between, USD franc, USD JPY, and gold, whatever I would find or whatever opportunities I would find, let's say I find the sell on USD franc and USD JPY, I'd be then looking to buy gold. But it all really fell on the momentum for the past 3 days. So far, I mean, you can just see these candles for yourself. They make no sense for real. Like, they're not going anywhere. But it's looking a bit like potentially it could be a sell. Unless for the rest of today, we see a bullish move. And I mean, a significant bullish move. Let me see here how the market opened in the week. Where is it? Yeah, I don't know. It's been ranging, so I really can't say. But yeah, if this is going to be a bullish opportunity for the next couple of weeks, it's gonna have to rally very soon. And it hasn't yet. When I move over to USD JPY, chances of it rallying past this high on Monday within the next, 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours are very slim. So it's looking like DXY, USD JPY, USD franc is going to sell off. which kind of sucks because I had this, bullish trade that I've been holding on to for quite some time, but I am running zero risk on this. So even if it were to reverse and hit my stop loss, I wouldn't lose any money. But yeah, it's looking like USD franc, USD JPY is going to fall. Moving on to gold. If USD franc, USD JPY falls, gold is probably going to break through this level. It'll probably break through this level if that happens. But the way it's shaping up right now, looks very probable. All right, let's look at the pending opportunities that have yet to trigger. First trade I'm still holding on to, pending opportunity that I'm still holding on to is AUD franc. AUD franc hasn't really moved much. Double top over here, came down, still significantly higher than my entry. AUD NZD. This has kind of been teasing me. As you can see, it rallied all the way up to my key level over here. It didn't go any higher. Found resistance and fell. Reversed, came back to the same level, and it seems to be finding resistance, and it's falling. I'm not moving my trade. I'm still keeping it here because what I'm really looking for is just that, like, how can we call it, the inducive move, like a really bullish move in one direction, enough to convince people that we're now bullish, and then the reversal. The last pending trade I have is New Zealand CAD. As you can see, since we placed it, it's come down. It's come down somewhat, but it hasn't yet given me an entry. It hasn't yet given me an entry. Still holding this. Quite the trade as well. It's a 2-to-1 from Crits. Yeah. Now, moving on to the trades that have been opened, okay? And have been open for some time now. AUD JPY, this is a huge trade. It's not in profit. It seems to have found somewhat of a resistance, and it's coming back down, which I appreciate. But we're still in drawdown. We're still in drawdown. This is a 2-to-1. New Zealand franc. Now, this trade has actually played out kind of well. I mean, we haven't hit our TP, but we're in good profit now. I actually moved my stop to half risk. The original risk on this was about 45 pips. And once we had kind of come down here, I just moved it to half risk. And yeah, just going to wait for TP at this point. Pretty decent trade. Been holding this. Oh, that's the thing about being a swing trader. Like, you're going to hold positions, eh? You're going to hold positions. I got into this trade on the 21st of February. It's not that bad. It's been about a week. It's been about a week, so it's not that bad. But yeah. Came back down, and then we rallied back up to entry. And I think from the market open to yesterday, it's kind of been behaving itself and playing out in our favor. So this is on half risk, and we are near targets on it. And then AUD CAD is pretty much the same. I moved it also. I moved the stop to half risk. Original risk on this was like 60 pips. And once I think this level was reached somewhere around here, I moved it to half risk. So, yeah. Those are the two trades, that I've been holding on to for a very long time, and they've been messing with me. But now we're in profit, so that's pretty cool. Those are the three that I'm in right now. In terms of the pendings, New Zealand CAD is near getting filled, kind of. AUD NZD, kind of as well. And AUD franc is still pretty far away from getting filled. This kind of played out as well, but I didn't take this trade. But I spoke about how, flag from the bottom, we were down here, target up here. So if anybody took this trade, they should be in a little bit of profit. GA, there's nothing on there. Euro pound. I think this is another one where I was like bullish, flag, should break out to the top side. Nothing over there, and nothing really over there either. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So somebody asked me about US30. I don't trade US30. I don't trade any indices whatsoever. I wouldn't know what to tell you, unfortunately. So this week, the two trades that I'm looking to add are USD franc and USD JPY. From where I'm sitting right now, it's not what I want, but from where I'm sitting right now, they're looking like sells. Unless we can get like a really convincing rejection of this level over the next 8 hours, I'm going to be looking to sell USD JPY and USD franc. We had a news release not so long ago, about an hour ago, on USD. Didn't do much. But we have another one in about 30 minutes. The consumer confidence. Maybe that's going to do something. Tomorrow morning, we have quite a bit. We've got some AUD news. We've got some New Zealand news. My exposure is quite hectic because I have 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So if we're talking about AUD, these are pendings. Let's go here. So if we're looking at the AUD news release, that's going to affect AUD CAD, AUD JPY. The New Zealand news should affect New Zealand franc. And then, my pending orders as well. New Zealand news should affect AUD NZD, New Zealand CAD. Hopefully, I wake up to, I don't even know what, because I'm not even filled on this. So that's a bit frustrating. Would have been cool if I had already been filled. But potentially, AUD, NZD rallying up. New Zealand CAD coming down. That'd be cool. AUD franc coming down. We'll see. We'll see. There's really no way of telling how the news releases are going to kind of play out, but we'll see. Please tell me the level to buy and sell gold. Sheesh. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? I don't know. What are you guys thinking? What are you thinking, actually? Tell me what you're thinking. I think I just spoke about gold as far as, what it's looking like because of how USD is looking like. USD looks like it's going to crash unless something really interesting happens over the next 8 hours. But if nothing really happens, or at least after this news release in about 30 minutes, if USD rallies after this news release that's going to come out in 30 minutes, USD is going to be bullish for a while and gold is going to sell off. for a while. However, vice versa, if the dollar goes down after this news release within the next 30 minutes, is it 30 minutes? 35 minutes. If dollar goes down on this news release in the next 35 minutes, or even for the rest of the evening, gold is probably going to rally. So when I mean rally, it's going to go up. At least that's what I think it'll do. I'm more like obsessed over these AUD, Australian, New Zealand, and Canadian pairs. They've really just, yeah, stressed me out over the last couple of days. What's happening now? A whole bunch of nothing. USD franc, nothing. JPY, nothing. Dollar index seems to be finding support. Yeah, we'll just have to see, but it would have to rally, man. It would have to like really be a solid. It would have to make new highs. How about that? Let me see. Where's the Monday high? This is the Monday high. Yeah. It would have to take out this level here for me to think that okay, and then this one. I can go above or below. So I don't know, maybe here. Okay, so yeah, if the news release comes out in the next 30 minutes and we break above this level, I'm going to be bullish on USD franc. Break above this level, I'm going to be bullish on USD JPY. We break above this level, I'm going to be bullish on dollar index. So we're just going to have to just wait and see how that news announcement comes out and then make decisions afterwards. Gold by 2032, take 2044, stop 2028. Okay. Yeah, I think if you were looking for levels, there is a person who just shared a potential opportunity. There's a person who just shared an opportunity. You can use it, abandon it. Oh well. Okay. ADJPR. Should be fun. Should be fireworks, actually. There should be fireworks tomorrow morning. Okay. There we go. USD, JPY. And GBP, CAD, AUD, NSD. Hmm. One, 3, 9, 2, 3. Which is that one. Don't mind the silence, guys. I'm just placing a trade, so I'm doing my lot sizes here. 25. CJPY. That's 47. See. Um, um, 3923. Yeah, 0.43.95. Okay, 471. And then the other one is on the Excel spreadsheet. 110.42. Which one is that? That's that one. 76 on AUD and 0.27. $10.42. One triple one. Minus the stop loss. Take profit 109. Yeah. Okay, and then we go here. These are ones that I added. AUD, it's supposed to be there. USD supposed to be there. New Zealand CAD supposed to be there. But then GA. New Zealand CAD UAB. That is GBP AUD. What is happening here? GBP AUD. Cool. There. This is the. There it is. It's the 9830. That one, which is a faster. It's 11. It's 9830. Nine 659 9659 233 4. Perfect. Perfect. $15, guys. 15 minutes for USD franc, USD JPY to give us the direction. Give us a direction. USD JPY. $10,000. And then 1, 3, 7. Three, 4, 1, 3, 4, 7. Okay, that's cool. And it's done. I just have to do this one. Should be the same anyway. So here, let's go. Sublimit. Okay, all those trades are set. Perfect. Let's see. USD JPY. Kind of moving higher. USD franc. Still beneath the level. Dollar index. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Very interesting. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay. New Zealand franc hasn't done much since AUD still. The pendings are oh well. Okay, so yeah. Looking at the next 6 minutes, we're going to have a US high impact news release. So let's see how that impacts the markets. And then we will adjust two and a half minutes. Hmm. Sixty seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Three, two, one. Huh, okay, well, yeah, not much happened there. Let's see what USD JPY did. Nothing really. Nothing really. But you know, it could just have a delayed reaction. But like I said, all right, as far as I see it, USD franc stays beneath this line here. I'm going to be bearish on the dollar. USD JPY stays beneath this line here. I'm going to be bearish on the dollar. DXY stays beneath this line here, at least for the rest of the evening. I'm going to be bearish on the dollar. In which case, I mean, 1033 would be like target ones, target twos would be all the way down here at 102. 12. Yeah. I think if we stay beneath this line for the rest of this evening, the dollar is going to fall for a while, and I will be bullish on gold, which is kind of weird to say considering that we're resting at this trend line. But yeah, what can I say? If we don't see any meaningful bullish momentum on USD franc, USD JPY, dollar index today, then I'm gonna switch my I'm gonna change my bias to bearish. Anyway, we will reconvene again tomorrow morning, or at least it'll be morning for me. And by then, the AUD high impact news releases would have been released already. The AUD CPI and the New Zealand interest rate release would have come out already. And so it should be interesting to take a look at the pending pairs that I have over here, and as well as the active ones that I have over here. So yeah, it's been real, guys. It's been real. Nothing really mattered. Nothing really happened today. Nothing really eventful happened today. So I think tomorrow is when we can start to see fireworks. Yeah, I think tomorrow, Friday, we have ISM manufacturing. So yeah, I think as of tomorrow, the market will start to maybe present some opportunities, and we'll take advantage of them. So anyway, it's been real. It's been real. I'll check you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Deuces.